Welcome to Homeschool Connections, the preferred choice for online courses taught in the Catholic tradition. Homeschool Connections is a family-first organization. We provide online education in two formats: live, interactive courses, and recorded, independent learning courses. Our online courses are taught by master instructors who teach subjects such as theology, writing, math, science, Latin, government, philosophy, literature, and so much more. The live classroom setting allows students to interact with their instructor and fellow students in real time. The instructor is available between class meetings for questions. Plus, the instructor handles student grading. Be sure to register early since these courses do fill up quickly. For students who wish to move at their own pace, our recorded courses offer unlimited access to over 275 recorded courses. This gives your family a wide variety of courses to choose from, without having to pay for each individual course. You can try the recorded courses for 7 days for only $1. To learn more about Homeschool Connections, please visit www.homeschoolconnections.com. May God bless you and your homeschooling efforts.